The Redmi K90 series is expected to introduce new performance-centric Android smartphones. Two models in the K90 lineup have received 3C certification in China, confirming support for 100W wired charging. The series may feature a 6.59-inch flat RGB OLED LTPS screen offering a 2K resolution and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. The Pro model is expected to arrive with an ultrasonic under-display fingerprint sensor, dual stereo speakers, a premium metal midframe, and periscope telephoto camera. The Redmi K90 Pro will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and K90 Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. The Redmi K90 will likely feature a 7,100 mAh battery, while the K90 Pro may come with a slightly larger 7,500 mAh unit. Both devices are expected to use single-cell silicon-carbon battery technology, and the Redmi K90 and K90 Pro could be rebranded as the Poco F8 Pro and Poco F8 Ultra for international markets. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.